So I came for this intensive 1-week retreat to work through some emotional traumas that I experienced in my life last year for grief and trauma. And through this week, I have slowly unraveled and uncovered and been able to work through all of that. So it was really amazing. It was tough at times, but it was really amazing. One of the side effects that I wasn't expecting to experience from this was so surprising to me, and it was very gradual. About 10 years ago, no, 2018, I broke my back in a boating accident, and I had to have eight screws and 2 rods put in my back. I had a compression fracture on my T12 vertebrae. And I healed, and I lead a pretty active life, pretty normal, but I was left with quite a hump in my back on the top, and just from over the years, poor posture and also weak core and whatever else. So through this week, the first thing that happened to me was we were doing a healing, and after we took our hands and took them from that person to put to our heart, a whole bunch of bones started cracking in my chest and in my back. And I thought, well, this is kind of weird. I don't know what this is about, but okay. And so then the next day, I was in a meditation, and my whole chest just started going like electricity and just burning, and it was just crazy. It was just crazy. And I thought, well, this is interesting. I don't know what that's about, but okay. And then we were doing a second healing, and my both legs from the bottoms of my feet up to my knees started burning again, that same electrical currents and everything. And I thought, okay, I just didn't understand what it was about. The last day today on the meditation, I was sitting in my chair, and all of a sudden I started having cracks in my neck, and then I could feel my spine literally separating and rising. It was like I was being elevated, but I was still sitting in my chair. And it was just the weirdest sensation. It didn't hurt, but it was just a really weird sensation. So off I go after the meditation to the washroom, and I look in the mirror, and my back is straight. I have no hump anymore. It's just insane. It's awesome. I'm so happy and so grateful.